In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your favicon on Squarespace. Creating and managing a website on Squarespace can be a smooth experience, especially with its user-friendly interface. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple process, how to view your site's favicon. For those who might be wondering, a favicon is that little image that appears on the tab of your web browser, helping to brand your site and improve user experience. First things first, navigate to the Squarespace website. This is your starting point for anything and everything Squarespace related. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your account details. Look for the login button, click that. Squarespace has made it incredibly simple to log in, especially if you use Google services. So our next step is to click on Continue with Google. This is a convenient way to sign in without having to remember another password, assuming you already use Google services. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account you use to set up your Squarespace site. This step is pretty straightforward but important. Make sure you select the correct Google account to avoid any access issues. Now, once you're successfully logged in, you want to go directly to your website's dashboard. If you're managing multiple sites, ensure you select the correct one. Squarespace's dashboard is where the magic happens. From editing your site to viewing analytics, it's your control room. Upon accessing your dashboard, our next destination is the Settings section. Here is where Squarespace houses all of the configurations that make your site uniquely yours. Click on Settings to continue. Inside the Settings menu, you're looking for a very specific option. Favicon. This might seem like a small detail in the grand scheme of your website, but trust me, favicons play a significant role in website identity and branding. Click on Favicon. By now, you should be in the right place to view your current favicon. This area allows you to see what's representing your site in those tiny browser tabs. Remember, a well-designed favicon can make your site stand out even in a sea of bookmarks and open tabs. It's also worth noting that changing your favicon regularly isn't necessary, but ensuring it aligns with your branding is key. There you have it. Viewing your Squarespace site's favicon is just that simple. Whether you're looking to double-check that it's still aligned with your brand, or considering a redesign, knowing how to access this feature is crucial. Squarespace makes managing these small details straightforward, allowing you to focus on creating remarkable content for your audience. Remember, your website is often the first impression potential clients or readers have of you or your business. Making sure every detail, right down to the favicon, represents you well is part of maintaining a professional online presence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on getting the most out of your Squarespace website.